Why web design is important for your content marketing strategy. Your website is a business's digital storefront, so it needs to be designed with the same care and attention as you would devote to an actual brick-and-mortar store. The good news is that there are many benefits of investing in professional web design services. Here are just a few. Google uses web design as a ranking factor. As you may know, Google uses web design as a ranking factor. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a process of improving the visibility of a website or web page in search engine results. The goal of SEO is to achieve a higher rank in organic, unpaid search results for targeted keywords, thereby increasing traffic to the site. Google uses over 200 ranking factors to determine the best results to show users. These include social media signals and keyword usage statistics for your articles, but they also include things like web design and content quality when it comes to your overall site authority. A visually appealing website improves user experience, UX. A visually appealing website improves user experience, UX. A visually appealing website is easier to navigate. A good web design can make your site easy to use and fun for visitors, which leads to better conversion rates. It's much easier to find what you're looking for when the site is well organized, so it's worth investing in professional web design services if you're looking for an edge over your competitors. Visually appealing websites are also more readable, which means that users don't have trouble understanding what they're reading or remembering where information was located on the site before they moved on. If a visitor finds a page confusing and hard to read, they may leave without buying anything, or even worse, they may never come back. Web design goes beyond looks, it drives conversions. Your website's design plays a big role in how visitors interact with and perceive your brand. When they land on your site, they have a goal to learn more about you or to buy something from you. The process of turning a visitor into a customer is called conversion, and it's the final piece of the web marketing puzzle. The most important metric for digital marketers is conversion rate. How many people click on an ad or sign up for an email list, divided by total site visits during the same period, usually month. This gives them insight into how successful their content marketing strategy has been thus far. Conversion rate depends on several factors like copywriting, call to action buttons, links, layout design and navigation design, as well as overall usability of the page itself. An optimized website helps in marketing, lead generation and sales. When you're developing your content marketing strategy, your website plays a critical role in driving traffic to your site and converting leads into sales. An optimized website helps in marketing, lead generation and sales. Lead generation is the process of acquiring new customers or clients for your business via phone or email, while lead conversion is when you turn these leads into paying customers by selling them something. In order to generate leads, it's important that you have a clear understanding of what they are, how they work, and why they matter so much for businesses like yours. Here are some key points. A lead is any contact information collected from a potential customer or client who has shown interest in learning more about your products or services before making any purchases. Leads can be generated using various tactics such as cold calling, calling random phone numbers, advertising on social media platforms like Facebook ads and Twitter ads, etc., sending out engaging emails through email marketing software platforms like MailChimp, which connects directly with existing contacts saved within Gmail accounts, as well as creating landing pages specifically designed for generating leads online through websites like WordPress.com, which offers free themes for easy setup without needing special coding knowledge necessary for creating custom templates from scratch. Your web design impacts your ability to market effectively. Without good web design, your content marketing strategy is more likely to fail. You need to keep in mind that the goal of your website is not just to get people there, it's also about keeping them on the site long enough for them to read, understand and act on the information you've provided. Here are some key ways that web design impacts content marketing. Website traffic. Good web design helps drive traffic through search engines, as well as social media channels like Facebook and Twitter. A visually appealing website with a well-designed layout will help draw people in, increasing the chances that they'll stick around long enough for you to communicate your message effectively. User experience, UX. UX refers to how effective users are at navigating around a site or app interface, so they can find what they're looking for quickly and easily, and more importantly, stay engaged once there. It's important because if visitors don't stay on a page longer than 30 seconds before clicking away, then something must be wrong with either their journey through said pages, or maybe even just one single page itself. Either way, this may lead potential customers away from interacting with whatever it was they initially came here looking for, which would obviously impact future success rates. Brand awareness. Good branding should reflect who you are as an organization, while still being memorable enough not only attract new customers, but retain existing ones as well. This means having both short-term goals, along with long-term ones, when considering what kind of visual identity would best fit into those needs. For example, if this were an auto parts store where I worked, my focus might be on finding ways outside of typical advertising venues, such as print ads, etc., which could include perhaps sponsoring events related specifically towards car enthusiasts groups such. When it comes to marketing and your business, web design is one of the most important factors. It goes well beyond just looking good. It drives conversions, improves user experience, UX, and helps in lead generation and sales. If you want to be successful online, then you need a good-looking website that also performs well on search engines like Google.